Good morning, students. Today we have discussed about continuation of cockroach, right? And the last system is what? The reproductive system of cockroach. You know, cockroach is a dioecious or monoecious first? Dioecious. Very good, right? And next, what about unisexual or bisexual? Unisexual. Hermaphrodite or gonochoric? Gonochoric. Main sexes are separate. Very good. Sexes are separate, right? And if you can discuss about sexes are separate, means both male and females are there, right or wrong? So first we have to discuss about male reproductive system. Before that, I would like to ask you something from this. How could you distinguish both male and female in one character? Major is what? Anal style. Very good. And another one, anal styles are only present in males. Very good. And in the case of male, wings are covers even tip of the abdomen also, right? It's a long wing, right? Very good. And the next one, another one, like in the case of female, like abdomen is broad, right? But in the case of female, it's not a broad. Got it? Because of in female, there is a brood pouches are present. Got it? These are the major difference in between both male and female cockroaches. Got it? Right. And next one, if you can discuss about first male reproductive system. So here, what is the major part of the site? It consists of a pair of testes, and next one, seminal vesicles. Next one, what? Accessory glands and external genitalia. These are the major part of it. Tell me, all of you, what is the major part of male reproductive system? Definitely a pair of testes, seminal vesicles, and next one, accessory glands and external genitalia, which helps in transform or release of sperm into female genital chamber. Got it? That's it. The next one, if you can discuss first one, what is it? Testis. What is the location of testis? And you know, abdominal, and the two 4, 5, 6 mean 4 to 6 abdominal segment. There is a presence of what? Testis. I will show you how it is. It is a part of thorax, right or wrong? This entire remaining what? Abdomen. Okay. So we have already abdomen 1. Where it is? It's about abdomen 1, right? 2, and 3, and 4. Got it? Mean location of testis from 4, 5, 6. What is it? 4, 5, 6. The abdomen or total? 4, 5, 6 abdomen. Abdominal only. In the only total anukondi 4 and first abdomen no start in the kaadu. Abdomen no malli abdomen 1, abdomen 2 chuskunte manaki abdomen 4 to 6. For example, I will show you how it is. Got it? So 4, 5, 6 abdominal segments are the presence of what? Tell me all of you, what is it? Testis are always. Testis. What is the location of testis? 4, 5, 6 abdominal segment, right? So shall we write like 4 to 6 abdominal segment? Very good, right? That's it. You can find it here. What is the location? 4 to 6 abdominal segment. Right all of you? Very good. And next one, if you can discuss more about it. Each testis is a thin, a vast difference. You can find it here. It's what testis, right? All of you got it? Right? Okay. At the end of each testis, what is the structure? Tell me what is it? Vast difference. Vast difference. What is the function of vast difference? Carrying out spermatozoa from the testis. Got it? Got it? So definitely. And next one, vast difference, which is opens into behind of this. There is a structure called what? Seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. One of the sperm. Here I mentioned only sperm because of testis release what? Sperm. The sperm is carried out by vast difference. Vast difference opens into seminal vesicle. You know, up to seminal vesicle, only sperms are individually goes, right? Individually reach to that. After reaching to seminal vesicle, all the sperms are together, like glued, like, right? and there is a formation of structure called spermatophore. Bundle of sperms are called as what? Spermatophore. Got it, all of you know? From here, testis are spermatophore. What do you have to say? It is what? Testis. Right? Testis release sperms or spermatophore? Sperms. Which is carried out by? Vast difference. Vast difference opens into? Whenever sperm reach to seminal vesicle, sperms are bundled and that is called as what? Spermatophore. అంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది స్పర్మ్ ఇండివిడ్యువల్ వెళ్ళింది కానీ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ అన్ని స్పర్మ్స్ అన్ని కలిసి ఒక బండిల్ అయినాయి అనమాట. దాన్ని ఏమన్నా చెప్పండి? స్పర్మటోఫోర్. ఎట్లా చెప్పండి అమ్మా? స్పర్మటోఫోర్. That's it. Very good. Here you can find out. Then you have to know that. Okay, seminal vesicle. After seminal vesicle, they can reach to where? What is it here? All of you. Ejaculated. What is the function of ejaculated? They can eject the sperm. They can eject the sperm. Sperm ఏం చేస్తానవి? Eject. బయటికి పంపించేస్తాయి. Okay, ఎక్కడికి? Finally they can enter into where? What is it? Male gonopore. What is it? Male gonopore. Here you can see that. And you know what? What is the function? Which is sending of sperms into female genital chamber. What is the function of male gonopore? Sending of sperms into female genital chamber. Got it? That's it. And could you please tell me now sequence? One by one. Tell me the first one what? How do you? Testis to where? Vasa referentia or Vasa reference, right? Next one what? One of the sperm enter into seminal vesicle. What is the formation? Bundle of sperm is called as what? Spermatophore. Very good. Seminal vesicle enter into where? What is the function of ejaculatory duct? Eject the sperm and finally entering to where? Male gonopore. What is the function of male gonopore? Transform spermatophore into female genital chamber. Okay, that's it. Very important. Please read it again. What is the sequence? Tell me how you first. Testis opens into. Last difference opens into. Seminal vesicle opens into. Ejaculate opens into. Male gonopore sends sperms into. That's it. That's it. This one was the sequence. And next one. Here there is a sequence, right? And next one first, if you can see that seminal vesicle. What is the function first one? To store sperms. Behind of this, it's may not visible to us. ఇది మనకి కనిపించదు, రైట్? సో దీని వెనక ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో ఆ సెమినల్ వెసికల్స్ ఇక్కడ మనకి లోపల కనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట. రైట్. సెమినల్ వెసికల్స్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏంటంటే చెప్పండి? స్టోర్ స్పర్మ్స్. కనిపి చెప్పండి. స్టోర్ స్పర్మ్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, స్పర్మ్స్ ఆర్ గ్లూడ్ టుగెదర్ to form what? Bundle of sperms called what? Spermatophore. They are discharged during copulation. At that time of copulation only, the spermatophores are entered into ejaculate duct. Ejaculate opens into male gonopore and male gonopore opens into what? Releasing into sperms into? That's it. Very good. That is what seminal vesicle. And next one, if we can discuss more about next one, what? Accessory glands. What is the meaning of accessory? Support. What is it? Support. What it can support? First one you can see here. There is a mushroom-shaped gland. There is a mushroom-shaped gland in this both the shark cells, right? Meant this all are. It's looking like what? Mushroom shaped, right or wrong? Hence it is called as what? Mushroom shaped gland. What is it? You can find it here. Some are long tubules, some are short tubules are there. Basically, long tubules also called as utrically majors and short tubules are called as utrically breviors. Got it? Right? And they can provide nutrient and layer around the spermatophore. For example, this is what spermatophore. Spermatophore consists of group of sperms, mean bundle of sperms. ఇక్కడ చాలా స్పర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దాని చుట్టూ స్పర్మటోఫోర్ అనే ఒక లేయర్ ఉంది. ఓకే, రైట్. అంటే దాని ఆ బండిల్ ఆఫ్ స్పర్మ్స్ ఏమన్నారు? స్పర్మటోఫోర్ అన్నారు, రైట్? ఈ స్పర్మటోఫోర్ చుట్టూ ఒక లేయర్ ఫామ్ చేస్తారన్నమాట. ఏంటిది? one of the gland. Which gland? What is the shape? Mushroom shaped gland. Not only formation of layer around the mushroom like spermatophore, it's also help what? Nourishment. What is the meat of nourishment? Nutrient. Provide nutrient to the sperm. Got it, all of you? Very good. And next, from mushroom shaped gland, what are the accessories supported here? You can find it here. Mushroom shaped gland. What is the location? Could you please tell me? 6th and 7th. 6th to 7th is the location of what? Mushroom shaped gland. And next one, and if you can go with phallic gland, you can see it here. I will show you that. You can see it here. What is it? What is it? Phallic gland. The duct of phallic, this is what? Don't think this is also a Jagger duct. Got it? So the blue color, so entire is what? Tell me. It's a phallic gland. It's a phallic gland. The yellow color is what? Ejaculated duct. Ejaculated connected to what? Anteriorly connected to semivesical. Posteriorly connected to what? Gonopore. Male gonopore. Very good. Correct? But this is what different. ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే చూడండి, ఇది మష్రూమ్ షేప్డ్ గ్లాండ్ అనుకోండి, దానికి బిహైండ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే పైన కనిపించేది ఇది ఫాలిక్ గ్లాండ్, కింద కనిపించేది డక్ట్. ఏ డక్ట్ అది? ఫాలిక్ డక్ట్. ఏంటది? చెప్పండి అది వాట్? Phallic duct. You know what is the function of phallic duct? Which helps in formation of layer around the spermatophore and another layer. Get it, all of you? What is the function of that? Formation of layer around the spermatophore. Already one of the layer formed by mushroom shaped gland, right? Another layer is formed by what? Phallic gland. Got it? Very good. And next one. There is secretion accessory like mushroom shaped gland. What I taught you now. There are secretions which can what? Nourish the sperm, right or not? Very good, right? And next one. External genitalia. What does it taught you? What does it mean that? External genitalia. Definitely you can see it here. Male gonovases are also called as what? Phalomere. This is what? You should know. You choose ఇక్కడ ఇవన్నీ కదా, ఇవి వీటి ఏమన్నా వీటి పేరు ఏమని చెప్పండి? లెఫ్ట్ ఫాలోమర్ కదా. ఇవేంటి ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి? రైట్ ఫాలోమర్. అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటిది ఇక్కడ? వెంట్రల్ ఫాలోమర్. ఈ మూడు ఫంక్షన్ తెలుసా? వాటినే ఫాలోమర్స్ నే ఏమంటారంటే గోనపోఫైసిస్ అంటారు. ఏమంటారంటే nothing but male gonopore. Male external genitalia. That is what? Gonopore. Male gonophosis or gonopore also called as phallomere. At the left ఉంటుంది, right ఉంటుంది, and ventral కూడా ఉంటుంది. Okay na? And you know what is the function? Transform of or releasing of sperm into female genital chamber, which is helping in that. Correct? That's it. And external genitalia, where gonopore is also called as phallomere. Chitinous asymmetrical structures. What is that? Chitinous, 3 are there, like left and right and right. So when totally 3 chitinous asymmetrical structures surrounding the male gonopore. Got it, all of you? Right. And next one. After male, what are we going to discuss? And what is the location of testis in the case of male? 4 to 6, right? But here 2 to 6 abdominal ganglia. 2 to 6 అన్నారు అంటే అబ్డామిన్ లో సెకండ్ సెగ్మెంట్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. అవునా? అంటే పైన అబ్డామిన్ ఒకటి ఉంది అండ్ 3 థొరాక్స్, అంటే టోటల్ ఎన్ని పైన 4 ఉన్నాయి. అర్థమవుతుందా? జనరల్ చూసుకుంటే 5th సెగ్మెంట్, కానీ అబ్డామిన్ అయితే సెకండ్ సెగ్మెంట్, రైట్? 2 to 6 అంటే సెకండ్, థర్డ్, ఫోర్త్, 5th, 6th, and there is a location of long and the 2 large structures called what? Ovaries. What is it? Ovaries. A pair is single. All of you? Pair of. A pair of ovaries. Larger or smaller? Larger. Right? And what is the location? 2 to 6. You can see it here. It's what? Abdominal 2. That's what? 2. You can find it here. The location of, what is the location of ovary? Tell me, all of you. 2 to 6. Abdominal segment or normal segment? Abdomen segment, very good. And the location, right? You can find it here. It consists of two large ovaries. Large or smaller?
Large ovaries.
And could you please find out, is the middle or lateral? Lateral only, right? So large ovaries, and finally ovaries open to what? What is the duct? Oviduct. Here also oviduct, right? Commonly connected here, right? That is called as the common oviduct. What is it? Common oviduct. And this is what? Vagina. What is it? Vagina. And it's also consists of the, like what? The spermatheca. What is the function of spermatheca? Which can receive and store. What is the function? Receive and store of spermatozoa here, right? And next one, that is finally opens into what? The female genital chamber. And another one, it's also constructed of the gland which is branches, that is called as what? Collateral gland. What is it? Collateral gland. What is the function? Which secrete egg case? Ootica. What is it? Ootica. What is the function of collateral gland? Secretion of egg case called ootica. Tell me, all of you, ootica is secreted by either ovary or oviduct or spermatheca or collateral gland? Egg case, you know, it's about the dark reddish color. What is it? Dark reddish color. Like how is it? We will see that, right? This one. And spermatheca also there, right? Right or not? Spermatheca are there or not? Like first one, ovaries are there, and oviduct also there, right? Next one, what? Spermatheca also there, right? Next one, genital chamber also there, right? And next one, what? Collateral glands. All are there. Could you please read out what it consists? First one, based on the diagram. Based on the diagram, tell me, all of you. Ovaries. Next, oviduct. Next one, vagina. Next one, what is what? Spermatheca. Female genital chamber. And what is the branch structure? Collateral gland. Next one. First, if we can discuss about ovaries. Ovaries are a pair or single? All of you? Pair of ovaries, right? Lies laterally, right? In the 2 to 6 abdomen segment, what we discussed earlier, right? And next one, each ovary is formed of 8 ovarian tubules called ovules. Could you please find out here? 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's look like 4. But I will show you how it is. Abdominal segment, if you can draw it directly. What is the branchial structure? Very good. What is it here? Spermatheca. And what is it here? Ovaries, right? And what I want to show you here, each one consists of 8 ovarian tubules. So 1, right? 1 and 2, right? Next one, 4, right? 6. Next is 7 and 8. See it, all of you. See it here. And each one is producing one ovo. And here also see, right? How many you can find out? 16. 8 ovules, right? Totally 16 ovules. Each one is producing how many ovules? One ovo. By that, a cockroach, female cockroach releases how many eggs? 16. On average, 14 to 16. Got it, all of you? That's it. It's about 16. 16 ovules are there. There is a chance to releasing of 16 ovules. Got it? That's it. This is what. But ఇక్కడ మీకు ఎందుకు మెన్షన్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చిందని చూడండి. ఇక మనం సింగిల్ గా కనిపిస్తాం అవునా కదా 4 అనుకుంటారు కదా కానీ ఇన్నది యాక్చువల్ గా 8 ovules. Each ovary consists of how many ovules? 8 ovules. Each ovule producing how many ovules? 1 ovum. And that too, here you can see that in this diagram. ఇక్కడ వస్తా చూడండి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ యాంటీరియర్ ఎండ్ ఉంది కదా అది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇమ్మెచ్యూర్ ఓవా ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎందుకంటే ఇటు చూడండి ఇది ఓవిడక్ట్ కదా అవునా కదా ఓవిడక్ట్ రిలీజ్ వాట్ మెచ్యూర్ ఓవా కదా అవునా కదా ఓవిడక్ట్ లోకి వచ్చేది మెచ్యూర్ ఓవా మాత్రం రావాలి అవునా సో యాంటీరియర్ డెఫినెట్గా ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇమ్మెచ్యూర్ ఓవా విత్ డిఫరెంట్ స్టేజెస్ ఆఫ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఓవా ఉంటుంది ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హ్యూమన్ మనం చదువుకున్నాం ఫాలిక్యులర్ ఫేజ్ లో ఏంటిది primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, grafting follicle also called as mature follicle. Kada? Avuna kada? అంటే డిఫరెంట్ స్టేజెస్ ఆఫ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఓవమ్ అని కదా, అలానే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏముంటుందంటే యాంటీరియర్ లో చెప్పండి different stages of the development of ova means immature ova, mature ova. Here the presence of immature ova. That's it. Next one, whenever it reaches to posterior, that should be what? Mature. All of you. Mature. That's it. Anything else to say? Right, all of you. That's it. This is what about each ovules releasing how many? One ova, by that totally 16 ovums, right? And the two, anterior is immature and posterior is what? But mature ova. Along with that mature ova, there is a presence of even some amount of what? Yolk also. You know what? What is the use of yolk? Yolk which facilitate independent life. What is it? Independent life. Because of those eggs, means those whenever reach to eggs here, the spermatheca which consists of sperms, there is a chance to what? Fertilization. Fertilization which is happening here, mean inside of the body. Tell me now, fertilization is external or internal? Internal. Very good, right? So those fertilized eggs are released into one of the egg case called what? Utica is secreted by pituitary gland. Got it, all of you? Right? So definitely we allow ante ఎందుకంటే ఆ ఓవం తో పాటు ఎందుకు యోక్ ఉన్నారంటే అవి ఫెర్టిలైజర్ ఎగ్స్ ఎంత రిజల్ట్ అంటే ఎగ్ కేస్, అవి ఎగ్ కేస్ ఎక్కడ పెడతాయి? ఈ క్రివిసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, క్రివిసెస్ ఈ క్రాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ క్రాక్స్ లోపల డ్యాంప్ ప్లేసెస్ లో పెడతాయి కదా. సో మరి వాటికి ఇండివిజువల్ లైఫ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? To the presence of what? Yolk. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఈవెన్ మనం ఎగ్ ఏదైతే మనం తినే ఎగ్ ఏదైతుందో ఆ ఎగ్స్ కూడా మీకు తెలుసు, వైట్ ఏమో ఆల్బుమిన్ కదా, రైట్? ఎగ్ వైట్ తెలుసు కదా, అండ్ ఎల్లో ఏంటిది? యోక్, ఫ్యాట్, న్యూట్రియంట్ స్టోర్, న్యూట్రియంట్ పర్పస్, అవునా కదా? గాడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ. దట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ విచ్ ప్రొవైడ్ వాట్? ఇండిపెండెంట్ లైఫ్. వాట్ యూ కెన్ ప్రొవైడ్? ఇండిపెండెంట్ లైఫ్. ఎందుకంటే అవి తీసుకెళ్లి ఎక్కడో క్రాక్స్ పెట్టేస్తా ఉంది. వాటిలోంచి యంగ్ వన్స్ బయటికి రావాలి కదా, నింఫ్ రావాలి కదా, నింఫ్ ఆఫ్ కాక్రోచ్ రావాలి కదా. ఎందుకంటే యంగ్ కాక్రోచ్ పేరు ఏం పేరు? నింఫ్. గట్టి చెప్పండి, నింఫ్. దట్స్ ఇట్. దిస్ వాట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ovules. What is the location? Tell me all of you. 2 to 6 example segment, right? Each ovule consists of how many ovules? 8 ovules, right? Containing a chain of developing ova. What is that you know, right? Oviduct, right? Ovum enter into what? Oviduct, right? Oviducts of each ovary unite to a single median oviduct, vagina. Here there is a chance to form a vagina, right? And next one, which opens into the genital chamber. Correct, all of you? Definitely oviduct and vagina finally opening into where? Female genital chamber. Very good. Next one, a pair of spermatheca. A pair of spermatheca is present at the 6th segment. What is the function of spermatheca? Which receive and store the spermatozoa, right? So for example, let's just imagine sperms are entered here. Okay, that sperms are which is received by what? What is it here? Spermatheca. Bundle of sperm. That's very good. Now what I'm telling you, from here there is an entry of what? Ovules, right? Whenever ovum reaches to here, there is a chance to what? Fusion and fertilization. Main fertilization inside or outside? Inside. Main fertilization is the internal. Very good, right? That is the process. And next one, 6th segment opens into the genital chamber, definitely, right? Next one, sperms are transferred to the spermatophore, right around? Spermatophore means what? Bundle of sperm. You can see it here. You can see it here. So what are the sperms are releasing here? Right? That can be a spermatophore, right? Spermatophore, after releasing a spermatophore, they can reach to what? Sperms are received by what? Stored by spermatheca. That's it, right? And next one here they are mentioning about sperms are transferred through the what? Spermatophore. Their fertilized eggs are encased utica. You can find out now. Encased means what? Fertilized eggs are there, right? That can be covered by one of the cover-like structure called what? Utica. Utica is secreted by the gland called collateral glands. Because of నేను చూపిస్తాను మీకు ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఫెర్టిలైజర్ ఎగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా అవునా అవునా ఆ ఫెర్టిలైజర్ ఎగ్స్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఫెర్టిలైజ్ అవుతుందో soon after fertilization there is a chance to secretion of one of the egg case. One of the egg case called, what is it? Utica, right? So those fertilized eggs are deposited into it. Correct? But that is secreted by what? What is it here? Collateral gland. Collateral gland branch or unbranch? Branch. A branch structure which is located where 6 segment or 7 segment or even genital chamber. Genital chamber, right? So genital chamber consists of a branch structure called what? Collateral gland which secrete egg case. Those now you have to tell me one thing. Utica is received fertilized eggs or unfertilized eggs? Very good. Fertilized eggs because the fertilization is over. So if fertilization is over, fertilization order to be egg case secrete chesara. So egg case loki fertilized eggs దాంట్లో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎన్ని రోస్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి eggs? 2 rows or 3 rows? 2 rows. Got it? 2 rows of eggs are arrangement in that. That is what Utica. That Utica will be kept in the crevices. Cracks ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆ cracks దాంట్లో పెట్టేస్తాం అన్నమాట. అర్థమవుతుందా? That's it. Right. And next one. Sperms are like their fertilized eggs are encased by what? The structure. Tell me, have you? Utica, right? And next one. Utica is a dark reddish. I thought you know. What is the color? Tell me, have you? It's a dark reddish and blackish brown capsule. Like, have you ever seen capsule? Yes, sir. Capsule, right? So in that small amount of like chemical components are right. Tablet forms or what, right? That is nothing but those are eggs, fertilized eggs. Got it? So next one. What is the length of them? Could you please find out?
8 millimeters.
Tell me how you. 8 millimeters is the length of Utica. Very good. Female lays how many Uticas? 9 to 10 Uticas. But in earthworm, how many?
1.
Right. And next one. Each Utica contains how many? On what basis you are saying 16? Because of each ovary releasing 8 ohms. Correct? Totally 16. So hence they are mentioning average how many? 14 to 16 eggs, right? And the two that eggs are normal eggs, not an ordinary normal eggs. Fertilized eggs. What is it?
Fertilized
eggs. Right. Next one. Development of Periplant americana. I mean, cockroach is a parametabolous. You know what was made of parametabolous? It's a gradual, means the slow development. One, right? And next one, that is called as a nymphal stage. What is it? Nymph. The young cockroach is called as what? Nymph. Nymph, which is look like as adult. వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్ లాగే ఉంటుంది అందుకే చెప్పే కదా డైరెక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ డైరెక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎందుకంటే పుట్టిన బేబీ సేమ్ వాళ్ళ దానిలోనే ఉంది కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్ మనం డైరెక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చెప్పుకోవాలి అవునా రైట్ డెఫినెట్లీ సో నింఫ్ స్టేజెస్ ద్వారా డెవలప్మెంట్ అవ్వడం ఏమంటారంటే పారామెటబాలిస్ అండ్ గ్రాడ్యువల్ సడన్ గ్రాడ్యువల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఏం చెప్పండి గ్రాడ్యువల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ త్రూ వాట్ నింఫల్ స్టేజ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as what parametabolous very important for NCERT tell me all of you what is mean of parametabolous development development through nymphal stage and nymph అంటే ఆ ఊతిక నుంచి యంగ్ కాక్రోచ్ బయటకు వచ్చింది కదా అడల్ట్ అవ్వడానికి 13 మౌల్టింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి ఎన్ని మౌల్టింగ్స్ కదా 13 మౌల్టింగ్స్ ఏమవుతుందంటే అడల్ట్ అవుతుంది యంగ్ వన్ నుంచి అడల్ట్ అవుతుంది ఎన్ని మౌల్టింగ్స్ అంట 13 మౌల్టింగ్ 13 స్టేజెస్ ఉంటాయి రైట్ అండ్ ఇంకొకటి ఈ 13 మౌల్టింగ్ లో నెక్స్ట్ టు లాస్ట్ అంటే ఎన్నోది 12th one రైట్ అంటే 11th one వరకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అప్ టు 11th there is no wing formation in the young cockroach right whenever turns into 12th next to last there is a chance to formation of what wing pads because of nymph doesn't have what wing pads up to how many next to last but adult have what wing pads you can see as I taught you earlier like they can fly in the small distances right adult that's it so here you can see that nymph look like adults right or wrong direct development and indirect development direct development the mouth 13 times to reach the adult form right the next to last mean how many right Nimble stage has wing pads. Mean before next to last, there is no chance to wings, right? And next one, only adult cockroach have what? Wings. They can fly in the small distances. Got it? Right, all of you? This is what. And the next one, academic importance. What is it? Academic importance. Could you please find out what is the importance? For us, there is no importance, but some of the countries they will consume. Yes. Right? Right? So definitely some of the countries they will consume about cockroach as a food source. Right? Hence, and in general, they are pest, right? Kitchen pest and a serious pest because of if it is roaming on food, it there is a chance to cause so many bacterial diseases also. Those excreta also, it's a highly harmful to us, right? And even the body of cockroach is always having of more pathogens like bacteria, like such kind of pathogen, right? Microorganisms, right? Here you can see that they can destroy the food and contaminate also by their smelly excreta, not a normal excreta, smelly excreta, right? And they also transmit bacteria like cholera, typhoid, and tuberculosis also. Right, all of you? But these are the it's not a economic importance. There is a chance to affect. There is a chance to affect the mankind. Right, all of you? That's one. But economic importance are there, but not in all the countries. Only some of the countries they will consume. Got it? This is what. Because of cockroach also belongs to the phylum of arthropod. Right? Body of cockroach, some similarities with the prawn. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Tentacles are even segmented, right? Jointed legs, right? Even if you can remove the plates also, cockroach plates, the body of cockroach look like somewhat, not all, like prawn. Hence they will consume some of the countries, not all. Got it? This is what the topic itself, and remaining topic we'll discuss on tomorrow. Thank you very much.